So I think that very similar mindset of like with the behavior stuff is important, like to be able to understand, like, well, why do I do this said thing, or say, always do, whatever, make these behavioral patterns,
Right.
and
Because the point needs to be made, Victoria, I think that brings to my mind so many of these things that we're talking about, habits,
hmm
changing habitual patterns, cycles that you get into. Look, they happen automatically usually. This isn't a thought process. We're going to talk about understanding the cycle as being a cue that you experience, and then you have a routine in response to the cue, and
yeah,
then you have a reward, and that
yeah,
reward is a relieving of symptoms or something of that nature. Your habits are almost like you're unaware. You're not cognizant. They're automatic. They're in your subconsciousness sometimes, really, and people
hmm
wonder they don't have access to that assessment or even know that it's a cue and a trigger and an action.
right.
How do you change that?